Hey there! Feeling overwhelmed at work? You're not alone. Work stress is a common issue that many of us face, but the good news is that there are effective ways to manage it. Today, I'm sharing some practical tips to beat work stress and get on the path to a healthier you. These strategies can help you feel more in control and improve your overall well-being. First up, let's talk about setting boundaries. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. It's so important to establish clear work-life boundaries. Make sure you have a set time to stop working each day and stick to it. When you're off the clock, truly unplug. This means shutting down your computer and not checking work emails or messages. Turn off those email notifications and resist the urge to check in. This helps you to mentally disconnect from work and recharge. Your mind needs time to recharge just like your phone does. Taking breaks and stepping away from work is essential for your mental health. Next, let's dive into time management. Prioritize your tasks to make your workload more manageable. Identify which ones are urgent and which can wait. This helps you focus on what's most important and reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed. Use tools like to-do lists or apps to keep you on track. These can help you stay organized and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. This helps reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks. Completing tasks one by one can give you a sense of accomplishment. Now let's not forget physical activity. Incorporating movement into your day can significantly reduce stress levels. Regular exercise is a fantastic stress buster. It doesn't have to be intense. Even light activities can make a big difference. Whether it's a quick walk during lunch, a yoga session, or a full gym workout, moving your body releases endorphins that improve your mood. These endorphins act as natural stress relievers. Even a few minutes of stretching at your desk can make a huge difference. Simple stretches can help relieve tension and improve your focus. Another key tip is to practice mindfulness. This can help you stay present and reduce anxiety. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even a moment of silence can help center your thoughts and reduce anxiety. These practices can be easily integrated into your daily routine. These practices can be done anywhere, anytime, and they only take a few minutes. Consistently practicing mindfulness can lead to long-term benefits for your mental health. Don't underestimate the power of social support. Having a network of supportive colleagues and friends can make a big difference. Connecting with colleagues or friends can provide emotional support and a fresh perspective on your challenges. Sharing your experiences can help you feel less isolated. Remember, it's okay to ask for help when you need it. Seeking advice or assistance can help you manage your workload more effectively. Also, make sure you're taking regular breaks. Working non-stop isn't productive and can lead to burnout. Short breaks throughout the day can help you stay focused and energized. Use this time to stretch, grab a healthy snack, or simply step outside for some fresh air. These small actions can have a big impact on your overall well-being. Lastly, let's talk about sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for managing stress and maintaining overall health. Without adequate rest, your body and mind can't function at their best. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night. This helps your body recover and prepares you for the challenges of the next day. Establish a bedtime routine and create a restful environment to help you wind down. This can include activities like reading, listening to calming music, or practicing relaxation techniques. Remember, managing work stress is an ongoing process. It's important to be patient with yourself and make adjustments as needed. Implement these tips gradually and find what works best for you. Everyone is different, so it's important to tailor these strategies to your own needs. Your health and well-being are worth it. Thanks for watching. Taking steps to manage stress can lead to a happier, healthier life. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Your support helps us create more content to help you live your best life. Take care and stay healthy. Remember, a little effort each day can lead to big improvements in your overall well-being.